In order to add a revision table to a drawing, you can go under Annotation and Tables. We can select a revision table. We can snap to anchor points. We can change which shapes we're going to be using for the flag notes. And we can update which zone callout. So this is the default block that you'll get: zone, revision, description, date, and approved. So if you click Add a Revision, you'll now have revision A, and you can go and do flag notes. You have it will automatically say what zone it's in. It'll say what date you made it, and you can add a description and who approved it. If you have more revisions, you can do another drop down. You get another bubble, which will be revision B. And you can say what changed, when, who approved it, and the location, which this one is C4, so you can go to C and 4. That's how you add a revision table to a SolidWorks drawing.